when I first got this Nakamichi, I tried recording onto it. And I tried recording it with a blank tape, and it turned out okay. But then I put in a pre-recorded tape and tried to tape, and the previous audio was still on there. Now, this here, I don't know whether you can see too well, is the erase head. And I looked in the service manual, and it has you have to take this whole mechanism out, and you have to put in a calibration tape, and then there's a little screw way down in here in the well that you have to gently adjust to raise or lower the erase head. Now, I wasn't going to do that, so I very gently got a little screwdriver and just gently prized up that little erase head just a little bit, put in a tape, and it completely erased it. Now I know that's a dirty quick fix, but it worked. Happy days.